Program that is in most middle schools and high schools, not all of them. We're not through the County Office of Education. It's a San Diego State program, and so it depends on which schools participate in the program. So we are at 20 schools, middle schools and high schools throughout the valley, but not every single middle school and high school. Westmoreland, and I don't know if I said Enrique Camarena. Those are our middle schools that are here today.
Is this presented here? Any not make it?
We have, for most middle schools are here today. We have 6 middle schools here today. We have Enrique Camarena, Westmoreland, Meadows, Sealy, I don't want to forget anything, Bill Young.
But these...
We hand out the rules, they get 2 months basically. So they have a while to do that. They have 2 months to do it, and they know that today's the competition date. Today we have 27 middle school teams, which translates into over 200 students coming. And then tomorrow is our high school competition with, again, we have 26 teams tomorrow.
At any time you're ready?
Today is our walk on water competition. And basically what today is about, the students are creating engineering shoes that will allow them to race the length of the pool. Everything we do through Mesa is to get students to think about math, science, and engineering as a college degree. So again, today they were given some specific rules that they could and could not do. And the whole point of it is to get to the end of the pool in the fastest time. While building the shoes, they're using math concepts, they're using science concepts, they're solving open-ended problems, which is what engineers do on a regular basis, and they work in teams to do that. That's when we go into the school sites, that's what we talk about. We talk about the teamwork, like I said, the budget. We consider creativity when they're building the shoes, so everything is discussed. They get a set of rules that are very specific as to what we're looking for, what they can do and what they can't do. And from outside of that, they can kind of just use their brain and go wherever they want with it.
Is it simply a matter of time, or I mean,
they get 2 heats, so each team gets to go 2 times, and it's the fastest. We take the fastest time of each of those 2 heats, and the fastest overall is the first place, second place, and then third place. Students to think about math and science while learning it hands-on. So they're not, Mesa's all about hands-on learning. So they're not sitting in a classroom just writing formulas down, they're actually applying it, and they can see what it looks like. They can understand if I do, if I'm learning about this is physics, or I'm learning about calculus right now, while they're actually making it. They get basic materials. So we offer them foam and tape. And then from there, they have $40 to come up with the rest of the materials that will allow them to race to the pole. So in it, they have to consider their weights, what's going to hold their weights, because there's one walker who's on the shoes. Obviously, in engineering, they're always given a budget, so we're trying to get the kids to do that. And then there's teamwork involved in all of our competitions. They have to come together, they have to designate like a lead engineer who's building, who's doing the math in their head. So we kind of go through every component. And if you look, through the years they know what works now, because a lot of them look the same now. But it's really neat to see them actually get to the end of the pool. It's really fun.